Hola. My earring fell. It's me from the future. Let me get my earring first. So basically, I'm going on my first solo travel trip to St. Thomas, the Virgin Islands. And I wanted to tell you guys, you know, how I packed everything. I basically took little tips and tricks from other travel influencers who do solo travel. And I'm like, okay, let's see if I can take that advice and put my own little twist on it. And we're gonna see what's top popping about it. And then I pack everything. I'll show you guys how I pack everything. And I basically took all of their advice, put my own little twist on it based off of my needs and desires for my first solo travel trip. And I'm going to show you guys how I packed for my first trip. So after I show you that, I'll tell you how it held up and what, you know, I should have done differently. Or if maybe I did it perfectly. Who knows? So these are the packing cubes I got from Amazon. Child. I don't even remember how many's in here, but I opened it once, so we'll see. So we have a little zipper pack like this. Okay. I could probably do like swimsuits in this, so we'll put that to the side. I have, okay, this would be best for like dirty clothes. This is like a little string bag, so this will be perfect for dirty clothes. Next, we have an actual packing cube. A larger one. So this one is a little bit bigger than this one. Perfect. And then lastly, we have this one. So what I'm going to do is pack the little stuff. So this is perfect for all of my makeup. I'm going on a tropical vacation, so I'm not about to be doing all types of eyeshadows and stuff. And I'm really going, this is going to be a relaxing vacation. So I'm not going to be doing eyeshadows and too many looks. So I have 2 pairs of lashes. I have a lip gloss, concealers, powders, and I'll be wearing glasses and stuff. So I'm probably just missing lash glue and tweezers. So let me go get that. Alright, so I got my lash glue and my tweezers. Let me throw that up in there, child. And then I'm going to put in my Black Girl sunscreen. Just because this is a staple for every black girl. Anybody, period. Make sure you got your Black Girl sunscreen. Okay, so we're going to zip that up. This is all my makeup. So I got enough brushes and all that for this. Okay, that's in there. Next, I'm going to throw in my deodorant. Don't mind that it's chewed up. My dog did that. So my Hey Humans deodorant. I'm going to pack a Kleenex and a pack of baby wipes. And I'm going to pack wet wipes, but I'm going to put this on the outside because as soon as I get in there, I'm going to wipe everything down. So I'm actually going to put this on the front part of my suitcase. So once I come in, oops, sorry, excuse those panties. Once I come in, throw those in there. Next, I'm going to throw in some Febreze. I'm going to use this to spray down any of the furniture just in case it smells or whatever the case may be. And then that concludes that packing cube. So we're going to set this to the side because I don't need to put nothing else in there. Next, we're going to get our clothing. So I have this romper, so I'm going to throw this in there. This is like a maybe romper. Like, I don't know if I'm going to wear this or not, but we're going to throw it in there. This is one outfit. Also have another dress. So this is the second dress. And Tuesday. Okay, so that's 3 outfits. And then I'm going to throw in a romper just in case. And then 4 full days of clothing. So Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Perfect. Got that together. Next, I'm going to add in, I always put like an emergency outfit just in case. So what I'm going to do is put in a pair of pants, 1 pair of pants, and 2 shirts. Done. We have all of our day outfits. So that's usually how I do that. 1 pair of pants and 2 shirts as an emergency fit. Next, we're going to zip all this up, child. Now I'm going to use this for like my undergarments and sleepwear. So what I'm going to do is throw in my silk robe. And then I just have a super large t-shirt, a pair of shorts, and like a little dress situation. So I'm not someone to wear fancy, you know, undergarments. I mean, and I'm not one to wear fancy pajamas because I sleep naked anyway, but I just don't do that when I'm on vacation, because you just never know when you out and about in other places, people's places. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to add some drawers in there and a couple pairs of thongs. So we're going to add that in there as well. And then next, because there isn't much in there, I always bring one towel. I don't know why, but I like to bring a towel and then like a large rag. So I always bring that on vacation as well. So we're going to do that, add that in there. So I'm going to take this little one and I'm going to put all my bathing suits in there. I got 2 bottoms from Target, that in there. And then I'm going to throw in a top. And we're going to throw this in there. So let's zip this up. And now we have all our swimsuit stuff. Now I'm going to pack my jewelry. I want to put my jewelry in this little Ziploc bag that I got from like buying hair or something like that. So we're going to pack this jewelry bag. I'm going to throw in a bracelet, another bracelet, 1 pair of earrings, 1 pair of earrings, a necklace, a couple rings. Zip that thing up, child. And now I'm going to put that one actually in the one with my makeup and things. So when I get ready and like set everything out, I'll just have all this in the same exact area to get ready with me. Lastly, it's time for the shoes. So I'm going to try to see if I can fit the shoes in here. We'll see. So what I decided to do is only pack 2 pair of like cute dressy shoes, because I just have to be realistic with myself. Like, I'm not about to be wearing heels and all of that. So I got these 2 pairs of heels, these 2 pairs of cute sandals that I'm going to put in there. Next, a pair of, since I'll be staying in a hostel, I have a pair of slippers. And then I also have a pair of flip-flops, just because you can never be too sure with hostels. I don't know the shower situation. It looks good on the website, but we'll see when we get there. Boom. Have that in there. And then these are the shoes I'll be wearing to the actual airport, and probably just my main shoes to walk around in because they're comfortable. So have these ones extra, and that's it. 4 pair of shoes. We don't need to do too much. We got 2 pair of cute shoes just in case, shower shoes, and shoes to walk around for in the hostel. So now that we have all that up, it's time to pack up. So I'm going to throw the shoes in there. I'm going to throw in my outfits. I'm going to throw my bathing suits. Wait, what's in here? This is my undergarments and my towel in there. Then I have my bathing suit, and then the one with my makeup in there. And then lastly, I'm going to have the one with the dirty clothes. So I'm going to stuff that one in here on the side. What I'm also going to put on the side, a couple of extra masks. I'm going to put some in my carry-on, but I'm also going to put some in the suitcase just in case. So I'm going to put that on the side in here. Boom. And then I'm going to take my 2 pairs of sunglasses, and I'm just going to put those in here like kind of loose. So I'm going to put those like on the side. Alright, and that is everything for the suitcase. So I'm going to pack my suitcase up. And then guys, I actually lied to you all about being done with the suitcase. I found several things that I was missing. First of all, I'm going to add a notebook and pen just in case, since I'm going to be, you know, planning and editing content while I'm there. So I'm going to add that and put that in the front. I'm next going to, what I'm going to is add this extra bag, because I'll be carrying around my camera. I may need to throw it in here or something. So I'm going to throw my this little extra bag in the front as well. Next, I'm going to need the tripod for my phone. So when I take pictures of myself, I need to make sure I have this. So that's just going to go on the side. I thought I was going to have enough room in my carry-on for this. Don't know why I was trying to carry it in my carry-on, but I'm going to throw, this is my toiletries, toothpaste, toothbrushes, sunscreens, Tums, ibuprofen, all that good stuff. I'm going to throw that in there. And lastly, one more cute purse. I can't believe I don't have not one purse in here. All right, that concludes. So let's see how this package. So this is the carry-on I'm using. I got this from TJ Maxx like probably last year. So first I'm going to empty it, making sure there's nothing in there that I don't need, because I haven't used this in a while. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep this in there. This is a fan. This is a walk-around fan that I got from like Walgreens. It doesn't have really good air, but it's enough, child. I guess. Next, I'm going to throw in a couple masks in here. We're going to put that on the side. And then what I do have is a freaking airport pillow, neck pillow that I got from Amazon, because I just feel like the other ones are whack. Like this one you could put like on the side of your neck. You could put it, I don't know, on the window, I guess. But this is much more flexible than the traditional ones that don't be doing shit for your neck. So got this on Amazon. And the next one I'm going to do is throw in, even though this is a short flight, you just never know. I need to be comfortable, okay? So this is a kind of leg rest that you would put on the little foldable portion in front of you, and you just hang it on there, and then you can like sit your feet in there. Got this on Amazon too. Excited to try this out. So we're going to throw that in the carry-on as well. This would probably be super beneficial for super long flights, but I bought it for a vacation that I thought I was going on. So I'll be needing this in the future for my longer vacations. My laptop. So my laptop has like some cords and my hard drives, so I can like download the footage every single night instead of waiting until I get back from vacation, just in case. So I'm going to put my laptop in here. Boom, fits in there smoothly. Put that in there. Put that in there. Next, I'm going to put in this little pouch. This has a reusable, this is a foldable water bottle. So you just fill this up and it stretches out. Let me show you. So you take this off and then you put water in it. Boom, super convenient. So have this as well. And then I have my mouse, because I'm going to have my nails done. I like to have a mouse because it's just easier to navigate that. And then I have 2 battery chargers and 3 batteries for my camera, because my Canon dies very fast, unfortunately. So I have 3 batteries as a backup, and we're going to throw that in there. The only thing missing that else is going to go in here is my iPad and my charger, but both of those are charging right now. So that's the only thing that's going to be missing from this carry-on, in my wallet, of course. So once I do that, and then that's all for that.